we're down at this new list, and I just wanted to show, a fresh list without any views added to it. So the default in ClickUp is always a list. So I always have that. And it's a really great place to be able to see if I have a task as an epic. And then if I want to add a subtask, a story. And then inside the story, I can actually add the parts and pieces, the more digestible building blocks to achieve the story, the epic, to deliver that project and ship that item. So I love working in the list view, but if I click add, then I have the availability to just quickly add a Gantt, a timeline, a board. Scrum, we're going to use boards all the time. So they're all right here. And it's super easy to just navigate between them all. And the best thing is, unlike the different roles and permissions in Jira, I don't need an admin to let me add a board. Maybe ClickUp's permissions are set that any view I add is private. If I'm a member in ClickUp instead of an admin, doesn't matter, but I can just add a board. I don't have to ask anybody. I don't have to request it. I don't need to involve anybody else or take time away from anybody else's workload to just add a view. So I can easily just add views. So boards are super important, and all these other views. So Jira does have some of these views. Some of them you need to go out to the marketplace. You need to download the app, the plugin, to be able to use the views, but they're all right here in ClickUp. A super important view for Scrum teams and for software developers would be the forms view. So we can solicit bug issues from users. We can accept feature requests, and all that's built right in. It's going to go right to your backlog, right to the list where you created this. So that's super important.